Welcome. In front of me is an Honor X6B, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. To get started, you will want to swipe down from the top right side of your screen like this, and then somewhere below here you will find the Do Not Disturb toggle. Now if you don't see it by default, you can swipe down on this list and this will actually extend it and show you more toggles lower, and one of those is the Do Not Disturb toggle. Once you see it, hold it the first time around. This will navigate to the settings where you can customize how the mode will function when enabled. And you can also select schedules in here if that is something that you prefer using over the manual toggle on and off. Now once you have gone to the settings, customize them, and you want to manually turn it on, find the toggle, tap on it. You get this pop-up, so Do Not Disturb. When enabled, calls and notifications will be silenced, alarms will ring as usual. So check the box right here to not remind you again, select enable, and your mode is now enabled, which you can see right over here. And once you're done with it, you can find this toggle once more, tap on it again, and it will quickly turn it off. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.